Hey, we're at the 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. At 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. Hey, this is the pool lounge. So we're going to take a look at that, and I can't wait for you to see it. On the third floor, and besides apartments, there's really this amenity, and we're going to go see it right now. Hey, let's go grab our fob, and let's let ourselves into the pool lounge. It's going to be cool, so let's do it. All right, we should now be able to get in. Okay, let's look at it. This is what it looks like. It's really cute, really attractive. It's very kind of modern, but also retro. It's got a lot of the wood look, so kind of a modern feel, but then also a 70s kind of feel too. Really cool look and feel on it. And it does have like a bar area too. The bar area is fun, but this is what it looks like. It looks super, super cool. I do like it that it's got all these places to sit in this modern 70s funky, look that's here. I mean, look at this. It just feels great to be in here. I got to show you these pillows. These pillows are so funny. Look at this crazy pillow. So good pillow selections. Wow. Go horns, hook 'em horns. That's what I feel like with that one. Okay, so this is what it looks like in here. This is pretty cool. Love this pool lounge. Now the next thing we're going to look at is we're going to actually go in the pool. So let's see that and see that right away. Hey, if you have questions about anything that you're seeing at the 2800 Taylor here and you want to get a tour, send me a text. Just use the number below.